Have you ever wondered why majority of the students fail at IELTS skimming? In this video, I'll break down everything step by step so that you get efficient at IELTS reading skimming. If skimming feels confusing or useless to you, you are not alone. Many IELTS learners feel at the same way. But with the right approach, it becomes your biggest time saver. One big mistake is reading the whole passage slowly. Skimming isn't about understanding everything. It's about spotting the main idea first and saving time for questions. To skim properly, focus on the title, the first and the last sentence of each paragraph, and keywords that stand out. That is where most answers start hiding. Another mistake, getting stuck. When you don't understand a word, trust me, don't need to understand everything. Skimming is about the big picture. Set a timer, give yourself 1 minute to skim a passage. Then ask, what's the main idea? You'll build speed and confidence without the stress. If you have struggled with skimming before, it doesn't mean you're bad at it. It just means you are still learning and you are getting better one step at a time.